Hello and welcome to Singleton Birch Melton Ross Quarries in North Lincolnshire. At Singleton Birch, everyone, directors, managers, employees and all of our contractors are all working towards the same goal as the MPA, zero harm in our industry. To achieve this, we are continually reviewing our activities across sites, and one area that's crucial is in maintenance. In our lime production department, we operate 4 Mertz parallel flow lime kilns. Each of those kilns operate 24/7, 365 days a year, and produce each kiln 300 tonnes a day of calcium oxide. To ensure that these kilns run at their optimum output, it is vital that essential maintenance is undertaken. Maintenance on these kilns means confined space working and following all the legal requirements of the Confined Spaces Regulations 1997. In the hierarchy of risk control, the elimination of any confined space working is at the forefront of any risk control strategy. And with this in mind, we looked at the design of the hydraulically driven discharge tables to eliminate any work in confined spaces.
So these are the discharge table rams. We have 4 in each kiln, and normally between maintenance shutdowns it's about 5 years. But if we have a non-routine problem with the rams, they need to be removed and replaced while the kiln is shut down for short periods. To do that, it's a relatively simple operation to remove the bolts from the outside, but there is a clevis pin on the inside that needs to be released. And to get to that, we have to enter through the small access hatch. And with it being a combustion chamber, we have potential for combustion gases as well as the lack of oxygen. So we have quite a complicated confined space entry just to change a simple ram. And we decided to try and relieve the problem by moving the short job outside. By adding in the extension box and extending the ram, it's allowed us to move the clevis pin from the inside of the vessel to the outside of the vessel, giving us easy access to the split pin and easier removal of the clevis pin. This means that we don't have to now have a confined space entry for a non-routine maintenance task.
So what were the benefits of this design modification to the hydraulic discharge tables? 3 key areas. It removed the requirements of the Confined Spaces Regulations. It now enables just one person to carry out any safety tasks, any maintenance tasks on that activity, whereas previously it was a 2-man operation. But finally, it's increased the morale of the workforce when maintaining the hydraulic discharge tables.